Say hi. No, he just gave me a funny look. Like, what are you doing? Well, I'm recording some of the work. Look, storms and all, the fellas are out here first thing this morning working on the coop. Still. Hope everybody's having a good day. It's gonna be a good day now that the storm passed us. Man, it was bad last night. I mean, squishy. Look at all this rain.
That'll work. They'll get up from that.
Yeah, cool. Has anybody peeked in on them yet?
Yeah, they were in the corner right over here.
Yep.
You want to look at them?
Yeah, let's look at them. Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Look at them. They're like, what's up? Good morning.
See where it's flat right there? That's where they were all.
That's where
mixed.
they
Oh,
bedded
yeah.
down last night because they haven't figured out how to get up to the roost yet.
Well, that's true. Different thing. They'll figure it out. They'll explore the whole thing later. Cool. Anyway. All right. Morning, y'all. See you later.